Mini Vortex mixers are compact and portable laboratory instruments designed for mixing small volumes of liquid or suspensions. They create a swirling motion that ensures thorough mixing of samples in test tubes or microtubes. Due to their size and versatility, mini Vortex mixers are widely used in various fields including biology, chemistry, and medical research. Key features: compact design. Mini Vortex mixers are lightweight and take up minimal space, making them ideal for labs with limited benchtop real estate. Ease of use. These mixers are simple to operate, often featuring intuitive controls and straightforward setup procedures. Versatility. They can accommodate a variety of sample holders and adapters, allowing for the mixing of different tube sizes and shapes. Adjustable speed. Many models offer variable speed settings, enabling precise control over the mixing intensity according to the sample type and experiment requirements. Quiet operation. Mini Vortex mixers are typically designed to minimize noise levels, making them suitable for use in quiet laboratory environments. Common uses: sample preparation. Preparing samples for PCR, polymerase chain reaction, or other molecular biology assays. Homogenization. Breaking down cells or tissues in small volumes for biochemical analysis. Chemical reactions. Mixing reagents uniformly for chemical reactions requiring precise mixing. Conclusion. Mini Vortex mixers are indispensable tools in many laboratory settings due to their compact design, ease of use, and versatility. Whether you're working with small volumes of liquid or need to mix samples quickly and efficiently, a mini Vortex mixer can provide the precision and reliability required for your experiments. To learn more about mini Vortex mixers and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.